Hello guys, I'm Harun Quiz to tell you in this tutorial how to unlock iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device by free of course without doing a jailbreak. As you see right now, this is lock to owners. You can say iCloud activation lock links, maybe the career lock also after unlocking these iCloud activation lock links. We will fix it also by free of course without doing a jailbreak at your home. You can unlock it. How it is by a console method, very easy way, but you will have to learn step by step that I'm going to do here. See, we are unable to operate it, but in a case your device is a blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, in each situation it will works. How? Just we will connect this data cable from PC to laptops, or sorry, from device to a PC or laptop, whatever device you are using at your home. Without reaching at any mobile shop, you can unlock it. How it is? Just let's go for Manage Administration iTunes. What the message is a sync to this physical iTunes. We will check it out, and the one, of course, the further we will go for. So see guys, it's assessing a data and it's a sync that it is locked to owners. So now we don't know actual ID and password of it. So now what is the easy way? Just we will have to do nothing. Just you will have to go for Manage Administration. First is the requirements of this iTunes installation. Second, we need a especially 3U tool. So in 3U tool, what we will have to do, we will check it out. Step by step do it. And of course, within a 20 minutes, it will be unlocked. See how it is. 2-3 crucial steps, of course, we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. So watch step by step. See this 3U tool, it's taking a little bit time, so don't worry. It will work. It's maybe now it has been connected finally. Just we will go for inside our toolbox. In toolbox we have especially crash analysis options. Add this analysis, let us go in the inside of this one. So whatever the old data will be there, that we will clear, that we will delete from it. So whatever retaining apps and application is inside, especially on this device, that we will clear. Then when it will come in once again in Apple database server by virtue of iTunes, then if there will be no any redundant or residue the particles or retaining data, then of course we can easily unlock it. Of course, now 5 files have been deleted. One iTunes, that is a link, so it's having a little bit problem. This one also we have deleted. One remain. I will cut it from here guys, no problem at all. So now we have the one more device that especially our software that by using we can clear up this thing also. Let it open firstly. So this 3U tool is opening now. It's connecting. We can here directly. Just let me just close this, and of course this is a FreeRAS, and once again we'll back so that configuration will be off. Now where is the sorry bus console? These things we will have to open. So now we'll have to clear. So now see guys here, what do you say? Just we will clear this thing. We will clear now. Of course we will try to clear at least to 20 times. So white screen is coming. So almost we have the clear guys. See what you say here. See, at least 20 times. Now we will come. See, almost. Now gradually it's accumulating. Now see here. See. On the other hand, of course, we will have to pick this REC mode option and hit this one. So this device going now. Of course, we will come in a 3U tool. We can come on here console options. This one we have to clear. White screen almost is the coming. So now we can close. Now this device the cam here. Now what we will do here guys, just we can this one IPSW we have already downloaded. So let's learn firstly here. We will come in especially a smart flash. We will click here and whatever the recommended iOS that we will have to download firstly, either this one or this one or this one. Directly we can import it. So this one for downloading it will take a time, is costly, so I have kept it here. You see 14.3 and this one see 1.14 something like that. 14 see 410 sorry 410 9419. So this version is appropriate. Why it is so? I would like to check it out. See, if I import this version directly, we can come the desktop to 1 4 this ones. Now it has started to import and verify. After verifying, so of course we will select the quick flash mode here. It's essential that error comes. Now, so we will come down here, these inputs maybe. We will come to once again desktop to, of course we will go for this one. Now it's verifying. Let's check it out. Successful, done. Now this IPSW, of course, retain user data, don't select, so quick select these ones. These IPSW that can be directly input here by holding the shift key. If I hold the shift key, then we will go for update and see, manually we can have these ones on iTunes. So this procedure can be rendered on iTunes, but it will take a much more time rather than especially this 3 tool. So just we will go with this method right now. Quick flash mode select, so don't select anti-recovery mode, otherwise it will take much more time. Don't select the retain user data, means whatever we have the clear the data is either from especially console or either from the crash analysis that will be retained here. So we won't be able to especially wipe out or get rid of it from the iCloud activation in an Apple database server. So now here we have selected, just we will hit this one here. Don't have to the select this fixed battery during health. Let's see now what's kind of so the error is come. Now we can close this item, not required now. At the end of this tutorial I will show you without touching on this device, of course everything will be yes unlocked quickly, and directly from the item we will generate a new Apple ID and password on it here directly. So now see, it's on 9%, 11, so now it's exited. So everything is in front of you guys. And it's a totally live. Timer is going on also there. So I think of course everything is in front of you. When it will cross the more than especially 34% means almost I'm sorry guys, it will be a special unlock, so don't worry. And any kind of the query, of course, the questions, the blind, there's the query below the comment box. A pleasure would be mine to reply your query. And without doing a jailbreak, there is not a requirement to have the jailbreak of this device, guys. Why so? Because this is a console method at your home, you can unlock it without the paying to anyone. The jailbreaks, when we unlock them, there are some chargeable tool that we will have to apply on a jailbreaks. Then it will be unlocked. But now, either it is old one or latest one. Yes, you can unlock some biosimilar status. Just 2 files you will have to delete. So one is the crash analysis data, and second is the console accumulated data. Both cleared. Whatever the data is inside, especially crash and console, because of that, in an Apple database server, this device is essential that this is logged to owners. This is linked to an owner, linked to an Apple ID. Please enter the Apple ID and password that's where used to set up this device. This device is linked to activation logs. Enter the Apple ID and password that's where used to set up this device. So we don't know. Don't worry, either you don't know password or you don't know ID, anything's not required. Directly you can unlock it by a similar status. Almost 9 minutes, especially in this pen here, still I could not get any crawler. Of course we will get it, don't worry. 2-3 crucial steps after having the 100% is the sliding or ascending order on desktops, and then when it will be a succeed, then further we will have the query. I don't know how is my sound is coming, and maybe if the sound is going to disconnect, then I'm extremely surprised. This live recorded with unlocking also, guys, so I have to give to the customer also this device. So at the end of that is a crucial step that I would like to show you, very important, because when it will stuck on the batch activation or having any kind of error there, then of course we will try to change the internet connection. And if internet connections changing, however it's not working, then we will try to use the virtual private networks. However it's not working, then there is also third options, don't worry. Sometimes it's dependent on the Apple database server also. Fourth one, try to use the data cable. And while the flashing everything, so guys, don't look on 34%. Just look here, it's accelerating or not. It's working there, no problem at all. Directly this ascending order will jump, so don't worry. And of course, one thing more that is a very, of course, importance to have the precautions while the proceeding. So try to download firstly this firmware from either its official website from ipsw.beta.com, ipsw.com, or www.3u.com, of course, or from via 3u tool itself or via iTunes. This can be also uploaded. This can be downloaded, and this whole procedure can be rendered via 3u tool and spontaneously if you want, then via iTunes also it can be. Now, still I am having on a 34%, and here see almost it's reached to the 50%, so don't worry. And one thing, if you are facing this kind of so that during the flashing, of course, the process, the device may restart multiple times, so please don't unplug the device, guys, otherwise you will have the problem. One thing more, the flashing iDevice without user data, please don't disconnect iDevice from the PC. Otherwise, of course, it will stuck on a Apple logo, and manually you will have to put this device into the DFU to recovery, and the phone, of course, you will have to do similar strategy. So this will long the procedure, of course, and very hard if you don't know manually how to put any device iPhone into the recovery of DFU. That's why I'm saying so. Now 12-minute estimate. Just wait for 10 minutes more here and see what will happen. I'm not going to fast forward anything so far. Not to speak to the fast forwarding of this tutorial and then things. Just I'm not going to edit of anything. So directly we will upload this here. If you want to learn, if you want to unlock your device, then watch carefully, step by step. You will have to expand the times, half an hour here, otherwise no problem. But don't write either and either, especially in the comments, and this is not going to function. Just everything in front of you, dear. Just watch carefully. I have been unlocking the multiple devices, especially more than especially I'm 20 devices in a day, especially I have especially at my shop. So just watch carefully and go ahead to unlock it. Watch carefully. And one thing more also I would like to have the especially about the PC and the CPU, in which especially multiple apps and application or software can run. As we know that you will have to run the multiple software in one time for the lock up this device. In that condition, PC and RAM is pieces RAM or just I can say that storage everything, so that this would be RAM should be more than especially I'm the 8 GB, so that all the software will be a personal, guys. Now see, actually this successfully has been rendered. Now it has started to reboot. So hit this one OK, and of course we will come here. So now let's wait for highlighted this option, batch activation. Yes, when it will be a not. So now see, we will skip the settings of the region, language, of course, Wi-Fi, location, etc. Everything, guys, and directly we will generate new and password on it. Is it possible? Of course. Now watch carefully step by step. When it will be highlighted, within the 20 seconds we will have to execute it. So be ready for it. Be ready for it, guys. Yes, I'm ready now, and still it will notify that this device has been connected because it's rebooting right now. And when it will be rebooted, then we will see further. As we'll have see, guys, here still the rebooting, don't worry. Now see, this device has been especially finally, now as we see, this device has been finally notified, and now still it's not highlighted. We will have to wait, guys. Means now this device is see, it has started to reboot, and when it will configure to highlight, then of course we will try to execute it within 20 seconds. Still waiting, guys. Now highlight 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, guys. 10 11 12 13 14. So of course within 10 seconds we have the completed. Now we have, see what will happen. It's giving the good result. Yeah, giving any error. If any error is coming, so then once again we will try to execute these things by changing the internet connections. These internet connection, guys. This. However, still we are having the error. Then of course we will try to use the virtual private networks of such locations. Remember it. That's why I'm just activating and just give them these things. Now see here what will happen. If it will confirm, then another tool, another options features is given in a I'm the 3 tool that we will execute. Almost done, guys. Here we will have to wait a hand, so 1 minute more. Just don't do anything until unless it's not notifying that. And everything is crystal and clear on it. This, especially I'm the computer right now on the recording, so because sometimes it's having the problem, but right now of course it's working good. Still I am able to audio to you of each 1 second, guys. In front of you timer is going on. Now successfully we have done, thanks God. Now see, just we will go for here. Now we will have to go for deactivation, these shops and feature. Of course we will have to select this one and try to hint. So we will have to wait a 10 second more, no problem. Directly we come on the home screen, guys. Home screen, of course. Let's highlight it at this ones. Now this one we have also done. So now fine, update something is saying, so that no problem. We will open iTunes and let's have the configuration. Now what's the iTunes is saying, so that just it will try to assess the data iTunes. Let's see what's the saying. Now it's assessing a data. Well, now see, guys, here. Yes, let's see, it has started to assess. Now see, welcome to new ones means it's not locks, guys. Of course we will go for here. Now see, directly the cam on here. Now there is no any ID. If I go for find my device, let's see, find my device. Now see, you will have to enter here. It's not going to connection. There's still not a specific option with connections. There is no Wi-Fi. Check it out. There is no Wi-Fi. However, there is no Wi-Fi. Let's see, guys, here. There is no Wi-Fi. What do you see that? Now, this phone has been the final locks. So either it is old one and new one. Similar status to it, guys. Otherwise, of course, you won't be able to locks. Now see, there is nothing inside of that. Now here, how would I transfer directly this in iCloud? Internet is not working in this especially, so we will go in the iCloud. In iCloud, see here, if I go for create new Apple ID, so if it's asking can't create because connect to the internet server. I'm not the same, right? Check it out. Please unable to connect to your server, so you can't create the Apple ID. We can create without having the internet connection. How it is possible? Of course we will see here. Everything is possible, guys. And here, if you want, yes, now we will click on the account to the sign in, and the sign in to, of course, we have the create the Apple ID and the let it access data. What's the saying on that here? Yes, we will comes, no problem at all. Now see, I'm not saying so. If you connect to the Wi-Fi here, then directly we can create also new Apple ID. Or otherwise, of course, if you don't want to connect internet connection here, then you don't have the SIM here, then of course write the email, verify the password, confirm the password, of course, and try to select the term and condition. Go for continue. New Apple ID would be generated and directly would be transferred here. What you say, guys? This is all about. This is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, please like, subscribe, and share this content, because this is the thing that's been inspiring me a lot. Thank you very much indeed.